How to check heart rate on Strava app. Hi guys, welcome to today's tutorial. Today I'll be teaching you how to check heart rates on Strava app. This particular video is going to be enlightening, and if you don't know how to do this, ensure you watch this video to the end. The first thing to do as usual is to open your Strava app on your phone, and once you've ensured that it's been launched on your phone like I have here, mine has been launched, then at the lower part of the screen we have icons. We have the home icon, we have the maps icon, we have the record icon, groups icon, and the U icon. What you need to do is to click on the U icon. The U icon is the last icon on the lower part of the screen. After clicking on it, you'll be directed to a page, and on this page, at the right side of the upper part of the screen, the right side, we have the search icon, then we have the settings icon. You click on the settings icon, okay? Then here you'll be given many options on what you want to set. And here we have the restore purchases, link order services, change password, change email, and so on. So what you need to do is to click on link order services. That is just after restore purchases. So you click on this, or you click on this option. Here you have two options. The first option is to connect device to Strava. Then here are apps that you can use to check heart rates. So you can either use any of these, or you use the other option where you connect to Google Fit. On Google Fit, you can connect just to check your heart rate. So once you've ensured that you've connected your phone to any of these apps that can check your heart rate, then you go back. Like I said, after you've ensured that you've linked your device to any of these apps that can check your heart rate, then you go back to the home page. Then on the home page, just at the lower side of the screen, where we have icons like homes, maps, and so on, you click on the record icon. After clicking on the record icon, you wait for it to load. Then just at the lower part of the record icon, we have the bicycle icon, the heart icon. So this particular heart icon is where you would see your heart rate. This is the particular place where you see the heart rate. So after clicking on it, as you're going on with your activity, the heart rate will be seen. After you're done with your activity, you can stop it and the heart rate will be displayed. So this is simply how to check the heart rate on Strava app. I hope you find this video very helpful. Thank you.